Welcome. In front of me is a MEIZU mBlu 21, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So before I get started, I'm going to quickly mention that this is actually, I think, the only way you can reset the device. Usually you would be able to also do it through recovery mode, but as far as I can tell, there is no recovery mode on this device. So anyway, to get started, we're going to open up our settings. And then here you just want to scroll all the way down to System, and then select Reset Options from the very bottom, and then Erase All Data, Factory Reset. This will present you with a list of data that will be removed by this process, which importantly includes things like music, photos, and all user data. If you want, you can obviously create a backup of this kind of data to maybe, let's say, your computer. And once you have done so, you can then progress further by selecting Erase All Data. There once more, I do want to point out between one and the second press, you might need to confirm your screen lock if you have one set. I don't, so it just automatically lets me reset the device. Now when it begins resetting, it will take the device like 3 minutes or so to finish it up. So I'm gonna let it run through and come back once it's finished on my end. And I might actually pause the video, so if you see just kind of like a cut, I just paused it so I don't waste your time. Okay, so the reset is finished, and it actually went a little bit quicker than 3 minutes, so yeah. Anyway, from here, you can set up your device however you like, and that's about it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.